Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products of the year. With Mother's Day just around the corner, we have compiled a list of the top 10 best Mother's Day gifts that any mom will love. So, without further ado, let's get started.
Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos.
Starting at number 10, we have FinTie Slim Shell Case for 6 inches Paperwhite. The FinTie Slim Shell Case is designed to provide maximum protection for your 6-inch Kindle Paperwhite. It is made with premium quality materials that offer excellent durability and resistance against wear and tear. The case features a slim and lightweight design that allows for easy handling and portability. It offers an easy clip-on application. The cover is designed to fold back, so you can read comfortably with just one hand. Our innovative cover was designed to specifically fit your Paperwhite and secures your device without any hinges or straps. Moving on at number 9, we have Dyson Airwrap Multi-Styler. The Dyson Airwrap Multi-Styler Complete Long in Nickel, Copper is a versatile hair styling tool that uses innovative technology to style hair without extreme heat. With a range of attachments, including barrels for creating curls and waves, a smoothing brush for straightening, and a volumizing brush for adding body, this multi-styler can create a variety of looks on long hair. Its intelligent heat control and powerful airflow ensure that hair is styled without damage or frizz. Moving on at number 8, we have Benchmark Bouquets Big Blooms. Benchmark Bouquets Big Blooms, with vase is a beautiful collection of fresh-cut flowers that comes with a vase. This bouquet features a vibrant mix of large, colorful blooms that are hand-picked and arranged by expert florists. The vase is made of high-quality glass and adds an elegant touch to the overall presentation. Whether it's for a special occasion or just to brighten up a room, these flowers are sure to impress. The bouquet is available for delivery nationwide and is a perfect gift for anyone who loves flowers. Moving on at number 7, we have Quencher H2.0 Flow State Tumbler. The Quencher H2.0 Flow State Tumbler in 40 ounces rose quartz is the ultimate solution for staying hydrated on the go. This high-performance tumbler features a double-walled, vacuum-insulated construction that keeps your drinks cold for up to hours after hours. The ergonomic handle includes comfort grip inserts for easy carrying, and the narrow base fits just about any car cup holder. The stylish rose quartz color adds a touch of elegance to your daily routine, making it a perfect choice for the fashion-forward individual. Moving on at number 6, we have IDOO Hydroponics Growing System. The IDOO Hydroponics Growing System is an indoor garden kit with 12 pods, perfect for growing plants in your home or office. Equipped with a built-in LED grow light, plants can grow all year round. The system also includes a fan to provide air circulation and regulate temperature, as well as an automatic timer for easy maintenance. The adjustable height feature allows for taller plants to grow, up to 11.3 inches. The germination kit is perfect for starting new plants, making this system great for both novice and experienced gardener. Moving on at number 5, we have Barnett's Chocolate Mother's Day. Barnett's Chocolate offers a delectable Mother's Day gift basket filled with gourmet treats. The basket includes 12 biscotti cookie chocolates, covered cookies, and other prime food options. Perfect for both men and women, this candy basket delivery makes for a thoughtful and delicious gift for families during the holiday season. The basket also serves as a great Thanksgiving idea, providing a mouthwatering spread of chocolates and cookies that will delight anyone's taste buds. Order now and indulge in the ultimate chocolate experience. Moving on at number 4, we have Revlon. The Revlon One-Step Volumizer Enhanced 1.0 Hair Dryer and Hot Air Brush is a game-changer in the world of hairstyling. With its improved motor, it offers superior performance and a longer lifespan, making it a great investment for anyone who loves to style their hair. This product cares for your volumizer, ensuring that it maintains its shape and volume throughout the day. Its easy-to-use design makes it a favorite among hairstylists and everyday users alike, making it a must-have tool in your hairstyling kit. Get ready for salon quality results with the Revlon One-Step Volumizer Enhanced 1.0 Hair Dryer and Hot Air Brush. Moving on at number 3, we have Apple AirPods Pro Wireless Earbuds. The Apple AirPods Pro, second generation, wireless earbuds are the ultimate choice for those seeking a high-quality audio experience. These earbuds boast up to 2x more active noise cancelling, ensuring that external noise is blocked out for a truly immersive listening experience. They also feature adaptive transparency, which allows you to hear your surroundings when needed. Personalized spatial audio provides a more realistic and immersive soundstage, and the MagSafe charging case allows for easy and convenient charging. These Bluetooth headphones are specifically designed for use with iPhone devices, making them a must-have for Apple enthusiasts. Moving on at number 2, we have Giftbox for Mother by Silly Obsessions. Silly Obsessions has created a perfect gift box for mothers that includes everything they could wish for on their special day. This birthday gift basket for mom or wife contains a variety of thoughtful and luxurious items such as a scented candle, bath bombs, a cozy blanket, and a personalized photo frame. This gift box set is also perfect for new moms, pregnant women, and baby showers. Make your mother feel loved and appreciated with this wonderful gift box from Silly Obsessions. Moving on at number 1, we have For Women Grandma Gifts Necklace. Looking for a unique and meaningful Mother's Day gift? Consider a personalized birthstone necklace or initial necklace. This thoughtful gift is perfect for women of all ages, including grandmas and mothers of the bride. Choose from a variety of birthstone options and customize with initials for a one-of-a-kind piece. It also makes a great holiday or Christmas gift for her. Shop now and show your love with a stunning piece of birthstone jewelry. And there you have it, our top 10 Mother's Day gifts for 2023. We hope this video has given you some inspiration and ideas for the perfect gift for your mom. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and happy mothers.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.